In addition to my channel, Sudowrite's channel, and anyone else that does content pertaining to Sudowrite, I wanted to show y'all where you can go to find updates quick and browse things at your leisure so you're not waiting for a video. So there are two places you can check. One, of course, is the Sudowrite Discord. And this is in the announcements channel right here. If you click in announcements, you'll see this. This is the announcement for the improved outline, the beta, letting you know they did away with shrink ray characters, some upcoming classes for the week. And if you scroll this channel, you will see a bunch of other updates, like the UI feature changes, the pros model selector, and yes, I will be doing videos on this as well. But just to give you an idea of the content you can find, and typically they will show you little demos too, like they did in the last community hangout, which is this one. The announcements channel right here, announcements, top of the list. All right, so that is one place. The second place you can browse updates and what's happened is in Sudowrite itself. So on the home screen, there's this what's new. Now, if you are inside a project, it's just over here at the top to the right a little bit more, the what's new. We're going to click that and it'll pop up here in the corner with the top three. And then I don't know how well you could see on your screen, but there's this little updates with an arrow. You can click that to open up another window. And this will take you to the actual website changelog. And you can scroll through everything. So if I want to read more about import novel, click on that. And you can navigate over here, what's new, go by fixes, stuff like that. And I just clicked on all categories to see everything all at once. Going over shrink ray characters, the UI for story Bible boxes, and other things. This is a great place to browse if you're just coming back to Sudowrite after being away for a few months. You know how quickly things change in the world of AI, and Sudowrite tries to stay up to date on everything, so it does change fast. Again, on your project home screen, click what's new, or inside a project, farther to the right at the top, what's new. Like that, the box will pop up at the bottom, like the update where it says, and that'll bring you to this page where you can scroll everything. Right, those are two places you can browse. I hope this helps you keep more up to date without having to wait on videos, or maybe you want to know just a little bit more than the speaker in the video said. I know I forget to mention a lot of things. So hopefully this helps. Bye, everyone.